हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के कॉन्सेप्ट को आगे कंटिन्यू करेंगे। जैसा कि हमने क्लास 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन के लिए अभी हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के ऊपर वीडियोस बना रहे हैं कि सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस को एक साथ सोल्व करके, जिससे कि पता चले कि हमें किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पे कौन सी स्ट्रेटेजी अपनानी है, और मीन्स द हाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग, मीन्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या ले कि क्वेश्चन ईजीली सोल्व हो जाए। तो चलिए देखते हैं, आज की इस वीडियो में भी बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन है कोस ए अपॉन 1 माइनस टेन ए प्लस साइन ए अपॉन 1 माइनस कोट ए इज इक्वल्स टू साइन ए प्लस कोस ए। देखिए इसको कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे हम। सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हमें कौन कौन से फंक्शन दिख रहे हैं, साइन ए, कोस ए, टेन ए एंड कोट ए, ये हमारे पास चार फंक्शंस हैं। ठीक है, जब भी हमारे पास ऐसी कोई कंडीशन आए कि हमारे पास ये तीनों चारों फंक्शंस एक साथ हो, तो हम टेन एंड कोट ए को कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे साइन एंड कोस में। बिकॉज जितने कम वेरिएबल मीन्स जितने कम फंक्शंस क्वेश्चन में होंगे उतना ईजी उसको डील करना रहेगा। तो चलिए सेम चीज़ हम यहाँ पे करते हैं, हम टेन एंड कोट को कन्वर्ट करेंगे कोस एंड साइन में। जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में बताया, स्टार्टिंग हमेशा अच्छे से होनी चाहिए। आप अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेके चले तो मेंशन करना है वहाँ पे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, अगर राइट हैंड साइड के साथ स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो मेंशन करना ना भूलें। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो हम लिखेंगे कोस ए अपॉन 1 माइनस टेन ए कैन बी रिटर्न एज साइन ए अपॉन कोस ए, then plus sin a upon 1 minus cot a can be written as cos a upon sin a. I think this is clear to all. Okay, now we will take the LCM in the denominator. LCM in the denominator. Why? Because in the denominator we are having two fractions. Okay, as we all know, how can we simplify the fractions if they are having addition and the subtraction sign? Our next step to take the LCM in the denominator. Here the first fraction having denominator 1, second fraction having denominator cos a. The LCM of 1 and cos a will be cos a, right? Here the first term will be cos a, and this is very easy step, so I am not going in so much detail. I think all of you know it. This will be cos a minus sin a, then plus, and here in the second term also we will take the LCM. LCM will be sin a, as the denominator are here 1 and sin a, so their LCM will be sin a, so it will be sin a minus cos a. I think this is crystal clear to all. Now move to the next step. Okay, in the denominator, this is in divide. If we want to convert into multiply, like if we are having 4 divided by 2, if we want to convert this division into multiply, so how can we write it? We convert the division into multiply, and we take the reciprocal of the divisor. We take the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 1 by 2. So this can be written as 4 by 2. So the same thing we will do here. Here this denominator in the divide, and we want to write in multiply, so we will take its reciprocal. So this can be written as cos a. So when this will come in multiply, it will be cos a upon cos a minus sin a, then plus sign is there. So as you can see here, this is cos a minus sin a, this is sin a minus cos a, and this is coming in the denominator, and we want to make the denominator similar, so we will take the minus sign common. We take the minus sign common from here, so this will be get negative and this will get positive, so this will be cos a minus sin a, and this negative sign will come here and change it as negative. So I'm right here negative sign, and when we will simplify it, means we take into multiply, it will be sin A multiply sin A upon cos A minus sin A. This is clear. So the next step will be cos A multiply with cos A will give us cos square A upon cos A minus sin A. Then minus sign is there, sin and sin A will give us sin square A upon cos A minus sin A. So you can see here both the denominator are same, and these are the fractions, or the you can say the rational functions. To simplify them, we need to take the LCM, as both the denominator are same, so LCM will be cos A minus sin A itself. Okay, so in the numerator we will be having cos square A minus sin square A. As you can see, this is what here we can apply A square minus B square, that is A minus B, A plus B here. So we can write this thing as cos A minus sin A and cos A plus sin A divided by cos A minus sin A, and this thing will get cancelled out. What will left? This one, and this is what I'm writing it here. I'm writing it here as this is cos A plus sin A. As you can compare what we want in the result, this only. So you can write this is equals to RHS, and hence prove. I hope this is clear to all. You can take the screenshot of this question, and then you can observe here what we have done here. So we have done all the things step by step. Just be careful in the last step. Okay, so now move to the very similar question of this type only, where also what we are having tan theta and cot theta. So just observe here, we are having the functions tan theta and cot theta. These are the two functions here. So we can simplify this particular question without converting the tan theta and cot theta into sin and cos. We will just convert cot theta into tan theta, we can get the answer. But as I always said, that if in the question we are having tan theta and cot theta, we prefer to convert them into sin and cos. So to continue that method, here also we will convert tan theta and cot theta into sin and cos. This is clear. So we are going to convert them into sin and cos. So tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta. This is the first rational function. Second, here cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta, and upon 1 minus tan can be written as sin upon cos. Okay, so I am writing the next step here. So here we need to take the LCM in the denominator of both the rational functions, because in the denominator we are having two functions. So to simplify them, it is better we will take the LCM. So numerator we will write as it is sin upon cos, and in the denominator when we take the LCM will be sin theta, and in the numerator we will be having sin theta minus cos theta. Then plus sign, this will be as it is. In the numerator we will be having cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. If anyone having doubt in this step how these are coming, so in the rough work you can take the LCM and you can simplify. This is basically very easy thing. Now the most important part where you can make the mistake. Now look here, this is the numerator, this complete we will treat as the numerator, and this complete we will treat as the denominator. Here in such case what we will do, we try to write the denominator in the multiply, and we write in the multiply we need to take its reciprocal, because we are converting the division function into multiplication, and that is the rule which we have discussed just before 1 minute. So sin theta upon cos theta in multiply by, we need to take the reciprocal, so it will be sin theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, then plus sign is here, second term is what, cos theta upon sin theta multiply cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so when we simplify it, what we will be getting here, so you can multiply sin theta with sin theta, it will be sin square theta, and in the denominator what we will be having, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. If this is clear, plus the same thing will happen here, this will give us cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, so what you can do here, as you can observe here, this is sin theta minus cos theta, this is cos theta minus sin theta. So if we make them similar, this is very much possible that we can make them similar, only just taking out minus sign common. So from here if I take minus sign common, so it will make this as negative, and what will happen, this cos theta will be negative and sin theta will be positive. So now both the denominator will be, not the complete denominator, but this part will be same. This is sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta. Now it will be easy to take the LCM or to simplify the LCM. So only here we will finish it. Okay, so the LCM will be, I am writing here. In the LCM what we will do, we write the common part single time. So the common part is sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta is the common part, and which are the different, we write them as it is. So the sin theta and cos theta, these are the two different functions, so we will write them in as a product, sin theta into cos theta. So this will be the LCM. Now, so what is the basic rule? As you all know how to simplify the LCM, we divide this LCM with the first denominator. With the first denominator, you can see this is the first, this completed the first denominator. So the, if we will divide cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, will cancel out. What will left? Sin theta will left. What will left? Sin theta, and this will get multiplied with the numerator, so this will give us sin cube theta. Then again minus sign is there, so we will put here minus sign. Now to this LCM we will divide with this number. So what will happen, sin theta and the bracket one will cancel out. What will left? Cos theta will left, and this cos theta we will multiply with the numerator, and we will be getting cos cube theta. So as you can see here, this is what, a cube minus b cube, and this is equals to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Now we will apply this identity here. So according to this identity, a is what, sin theta, b is what, cos theta. So this identity is giving us this formula here. So it will be a minus b means sin theta minus cos theta, and then a square means sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. This will come in the numerator, and we will write the denominator as it is, sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So as you can observe here, this thing will get cancelled out, and here in place of this part, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can write 1 here. So this will be what, 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, and in the answer what we want? In the answer we want 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. So look, in some question they can ask to convert this into this thing. So this is again a separate question. This will again a separate question. This is the answer. But now we need to convert this into 1 plus tan. Separate the denominator. Means in the last step, what is with this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now separate the numerators. Separate the numerator. It will be sin square theta upon sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. So here what will happen? One sin will cancel with one cos will cancel with one cos, and here this complete will get cancel out. This complete will get cancel out. So what will happen here? What sin upon cos, this will give us tan theta. Cos upon sin, this will give us cot theta, plus this will give us 1. This will give us 1. This is equals to the right hand side, hence proved. You can observe the right hand side is 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta, and this only we are getting here. I hope this is clear to all. Thanks for watching till the end.